Hello.
What's going on?
We're back at Milo's. We're all done. Promised a follow-up video. All three of you watched the first one.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
All three of you.
Thank God we monetized the video. But as promised, here's a follow-up. We're going to walk you through and show you everything we did and some things we didn't do as well from other trades that added to the charm of the whole place. And I'm going to give the camera to Derek, and I guess we'll just walk through.
Yeah, let's show them.
Let's do a walkthrough. Okay. We'll start here with the iconic sign out front. 1971. Let me see if I can back up. This is the parking lot here, the front lot. Pan over here to the new patio coming soon. This hasn't started yet for me, but it has started on the perimeter. Go on in.
I'll go ahead and grab the store.
You walk right into some new beauty here. The old cigarette machine stayed, but you guys haven't seen one of those in a long time. New bathrooms.
Toilets.
Those bathrooms weren't there when we started.
No, they were not.
Okay, well, come on in, and remember the kitchen's always on your right, and then over here, you'll notice all these booths. These were made from another company. We did not make these booths, but they look beautiful. There they are there. New tables and chairs. The bar, this is where we came in. We demoed the old bar, put on the new bar. This is all red oak. And this molding, this arm molding, you know, they call it different things like Chicago molding, California molding, whatever you want to call it. 55 feet long. Brass rail here for the server area. And little foot rail down here. You get that brass foot rail and all the facing. Purse hooks. Then we come on this way. And on the other side of this 3/4 round booth, put a little ledge here. You can sit in a chair, you can put your drinks on it, whatever. It's just a little ledge for people to utilize. And a new fireplace area with stone all around. Mirrored ceiling. And to keep some of the old charm, you're going to notice some of the old decor, like some of these old football helmets. Some of these old pictures. You'll see that stuff in the background as we're going along here. Let's go here to behind the bar real quick. Sorry, we're gonna go through here and talk about some stuff. So I want to start right here. Coming into the bar, we went ahead and cut this off and we profiled the end of the molding with some oak right here. Actually looks like an old guitar neck or something, guitar head. So there's that, and the spill rail. Thompson Mathis Metal Supply made the spill rail for us to our specs. And this thing is what you make your drinks on. You take it out, and it's got these holes in the bottom of the tray where all the liquid builds up in here and drains out of these holes. They're every 4 feet. And obviously they put this in here and they make their drinks on this so all the liquid falls down into that tray so this stays dry. That's one of the nice little features we did there. We'll just start all the way down here. And this is also 55 feet long, this spill rail. Here's the old propeller. I think the old owner had that and hung this thing up and said, this propeller always has to stay here no matter what this place becomes. Even if it became a bank or something, they'd have to have this propeller here. It's like a good luck thing or whatever. Big job, the glass tile back of the back bar. You see Derek there in the reflection. See yourself, boy? Look at this place, man. Look at all these reach-ins. We had to cut this back bar out custom so the bartenders could reach in, grab the beers, serve the beers. We also built a back bar. Placed all the refrigeration in, all the drink wells, ice wells. Here's a reach-in glass front. And it actually fit perfect. There's no room from here to here. No room at all. It just slid right in. You can feel the air pressure pushing out behind it. More TVs. We made these liquor trees with the acrylic tops that light up. Kettle One. Anyone? Look, Kettle One action for you. Okay, we'll keep backing up. Hopefully Derek doesn't trip on something. Hey, turn around right here, Derek, and face the camera that way. So if you remember the old Milos up here, they had lots of old raggedy ass looking Christmas lights everywhere. Now it was charming and it was good for the place for the time where they were thriving, but ripped them all out, redid the whole ceiling in this place, all the way front to back. Put new lights up. And these glass walls, which are beautiful. You'll see those in the background as we walk through here because they're prominent in here. More booths. Here's a cool little part right over here. These chairs were ordered, and if you notice on the bottom there, that brick little step-up section there was already here all the way down. So we just cut the legs off the back of these chairs and slid them in, and they're mounted in there now. So we were able to utilize that spot there instead of pulling these things way out. So I thought that was cool too. Look, Derek, somebody already carved into the brand new table.
Well,
keep it classy, Dallas. Keep it classy. Let's go on this way. So you'll notice the mechanized credit card swipers on the pool tables. They all four have these. And the power runs down into the concrete, right about where Derek's standing. And we saw cut this concrete all the way out under here, under this first step. These steps light up too, by the way. They're not lit up right now, but we routed a groove underneath here, put the LEDs in, and they downlight. But anyway, the power comes from underneath the stage area that we also built and runs to those credit card swipers, which I think is pretty cool too. And here's the elevated seating. We built all this, new wall paneling that's now pretty much covered up with all the decor. Anybody ever seen Burt Reynolds naked? There he is.
in all his glory.
There he is in all his glory. There he is. What else? Oh, look at this. This is really, really cool. So we had our concrete guy come in and core drill through the concrete, and we put 1/4-inch wall pipe in the ground. And these brass sleeves slide over with epoxy, and they're very solid now. And we just assembled the top piece and all that kind of stuff, but they're not even screwed down. It's just all epoxied into the ground. Very solid city code kind of thing, because there's a step here. There's one over here too. Really nice. But this is the new Milos. What a good shot from up here, huh? Looking out that way. All new lamps and chandeliers and lighting. It's really high tech. There's probably, what, 20 TVs in here now?
At least, yeah.
2 golden tees over there. Those are new, by the way. But here we are, man. What a cool... Oh, let's show you what we're doing right now. We're going to do a... This is a little behind the scenes of ending the video that I'm going to upload today of the build of these doors. So we came yesterday and installed these two with these locks. And there will be a video kind of highlighting the new Evo Max chop saw from Evolution Power Tools, which is a great saw. I'll put a link below where you can buy one. see if I can reach up there and lock that damn cabinet. What's going on? Oh, the key's not in. There we go. We put those in yesterday, but they already put liquor on these two shelves, so they kind of dip. So we got these little dividers that we're about to put in and put the metal doors on these two. So we're gonna do that right now. In that other video with that, in this video here, I guess, we'll just do a little quiet walkthrough. And maybe Derek can walk around and just show you guys all the little dartboards, elk heads, everything. I'm gonna empty these shelves, Derek, while you do that.
Okay.
We could have a party in here with all this stuff. Too bad we don't drink.
Boy, back in the day.
Lucky them. Back in the day, this would be gone. Did we miss anything? Did we forget to say anything about stuff?
Man, I think we've covered it. Absolutely beautiful new place, man. Right beside SMU College.
Highland Park area.
If you guys have been here in the past, you've got to come check this out now.
They also filmed Born on the 4th of July here. They filmed a scene here right back over there by the pool tables with Tom Cruise. And there's actually a poster in the back.
Yeah, this was a long time ago. Let's walk back here and take a look at it.